Hi guys, today is a lemonade box unboxing day. My name's Fawn, my channel is Fawn Figures It Out. I never quite know what to say, so I'm just going to go with please subscribe, please give a thumbs up, please say hi, lots of comments, love it. You may have noticed I have a funny voice today. I have a cold. It's not coronavirus, don't worry folks. But I'm absolutely stinking with a cold. It's those damn grandchildren. I knew I was going to get a cold from them. They've had runny noses in the works. And of course we played on Sunday. It was my grandson's birthday. And we had a bouncy castle outside and the sun shone. And then it rained. And then the wind came. And then we had some sun. And then it rained again. You know, it was a real British day. And that night I thought, I don't feel quite the ticket. And during the night I woke up and thought, oh no, I definitely don't feel the ticket, and I've been poorly since. But anyway, I love you guys and this cheers me up, and I really wanted to cheer up, and I thought that my lemonade box would be the ideal way to do it. It's only my second one, but as you know, it was a big hit last time. So, oh, here we go. I'm gonna have to find my glasses. It says, put you, yeah, the one with the beautiful smile. If you were looking for a sign to let you know that it's okay to slow down and take a break from your busy life to simply be happy and at peace, then this is it. I mean, it goes on a lot more, but I think it says the same every time, but yeah. Okay, so September's monthly mission. I don't know if you remember this, but they do a monthly mission. And this one is, September is a busy time for us all, very easy to get caught up in the seemingly eternal demands of life. This month then, your mission is to practice an often underrated and overlooked form of self-care. We want you to take the time to breathe, consciously. If you feel yourself getting worked up about something, or if you just need a break from whatever you're doing, every day we want you to take some time out to just sit, clear your mind, and breathe. So it goes on a lot more than that, but I like that idea. I love these mission things. And then we get the newsletter. Now I don't know, I'm hoping you remember from the last one, but they make it as witty as they possibly can along with the items, so I best keep my glasses close by. So first up, is, let's have a look. Is this it? No. Oh, look at that tin. It's like a drinking, can you see that? It's like a hip flask, you know, for carrying liquid, and it is liquid, for carrying, you know, brandy or whatever your typical choice is. This is called Hangover Hair Elixir by We Are Paradox. The RRP is, the RRP is £30. And I can believe that, that's a nice flask. Okay, first of all, is this not the coolest thing you've ever seen in your life? It is. It's 75 mils and it's designed to rehydrate tired, hungover hair. It adds shine, smooths frizz, and works as a leave-in treatment or a finishing oil. It is 97% natural and contains Irish whiskey to boost strength, bounce, and shine. It's organic, it can fit in almost any handbag, and it will certainly make you look hip wherever you go. Get it? Hip hip flask. I think that's a brilliant idea. I've never seen anything like that before. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to smell it actually with my cold, but oh, actually I can. Oh, and that smells lovely. It doesn't smell of whiskey. I wondered if it would, whether it would. No, that smells really, really nice. Let's see if it says on the back actually how you're supposed to use it. Directions: apply to wet or dry hair, tip a very small amount at your fingertips, rub hands together to distribute and smooth through the ends of your hair. A little goes a very, they've put it in big letters, long way. That alone is the cost of the box, and that alone is brilliant. Look at me getting excited, can you tell? I spent a day in bed yesterday. I don't do that. Okay. Oh, and the flask is 100% recyclable. Next up is, a candle. It's a wild fig and cassis candle by Novia Candles. Can you see that? Oh. 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 Even with my cold, I can smell that. Now, the RRP on this is £7. Hand poured in West Yorkshire. It's a natural soy wax candle. It's small, business owned, gorgeously packaged, and one of our personal favourites. It has top notes of cassis, cherry and fig, followed by notes of jasmine and pine. A seriously calming definition. Seriously calming mixture of scents. Oh gosh. Excuse me. That are practically the definition of self-care. Sorry guys. Oh, I'm really pleased with that. I'm amazed I can smell it, frankly. Okay, next up, and again it's 100% recyclable. Next is some micellar water. Here we go. By Monu Skin. Never heard of Monu Skin, with an RRP of £21.95. I have a love-hate relationship with micellar water. Some of them I love, some of them I actually find quite drying, which is really weird. So this one, what does it say? Effortlessly sleeps away, sleeps, I've got sleeping on the brain. Sweeps away dirt and oil, gently drawing out impurities, leaving the skin re-energized with a radiant and natural glow. It's essentially a no-rinse, light and refreshing cleanser that looks and feels like water. Well, blow me down. I'm definitely going to use this. And it says it can also be used as a refreshing face mist, keeping you cool on warm days. Let's just... Oh, no real scent. Well, as much as I can tell. No real scent. Feels nice. It's quite a heavy, you know, you spread that on your face, you'd know you'd spread it on your face, but happy to give it a go. So far this box is doing well. Next up is a sheet mask. Do you know, yesterday, as I say, dying a death, lying in bed, my daughter came in, because she's never known me do that. Well, you know, not for the last sort of 20, 30 years, but I just felt so rough yesterday. She actually came in to make sure I was okay. But she came in and found me lying down in my pyjamas with a sheet mask on. My face was hurting so much, you know, all the sinuses and the thing. But I thought, they're nice and cool and soothing, and it sort of encourages you to rub your face, which might help. And to be fair, it did. So, okay. A sheet mask by Natura. It's a multi-grain sheet mask. RRP £5.95. What does it say? It's got multi-grains of rice, buckwheat and rye. It plumps and firms the skin, while a rich complex of sugar, maple, herbs and botanicals act as a natural AHA to provide skin cell renewing properties for a firmer and smoother complexion. It's anti-rage. It's anti-raging. I'm not in a rage, I'm just in a bits. It's anti-aging, cell renewing and complexion boosting. Oh, well, I'm always happy with a sheet mask. Never heard of them either, Natura. Then we've got, I can't believe there's still more coming out of this box. This box is fabulous, folks. This one is called Hair Today, Gone Tomorrow, and it's a hair minimising moisturiser. What a fabulous idea. 96% natural. It's the smartest inanimate object we've ever come across. It contains a botanical complex of licorice extract, caffeine and horse chestnut seed, which grow together to slow down, which work together? Oh my God. Which work together to slow down hair regrowth. The citrus-scented blend also acts as an anti-inflammatory to help the skin protect itself from the rigours of hair removal and reduce the chance of ingrown hairs. That, if that works, that is brilliant. I don't know about you guys. I'm all right with my legs. I don't have a lot of hair on my legs, and I shave my legs, you know, routinely, and I don't really get very many ingrowing hairs. But boy oh boy, do I get some ingrowing hairs in my armpits sometimes, and occasionally in the bikini line. Not pleasant. So this you can put straight on your legs and body. I've got to see what it smells like. Oh, okay. Is it open? Oh boy, very citrusy. Very, very citrusy. I like it. Well, I'm going to have to let you know how that works because, trust me, I'll be using it. And last but not least, I think this must be a free gift. There's no mention of it. Ooh, it's a bag of, and I always like something to eat, native snacks. It is native popped lotus seeds, sea salt and pink pepper. I can't think that I've ever tried a lotus seed. 65% less fat, gluten-free, vegan, only 82 calories a bag. I'm going to try it, although whether my sense of taste is as it should be as well. So, oh look, round. I don't know what I thought they'd look like, but I didn't think they'd look like that. Oh, they're really nice. What do they taste like? I mean, I'm getting this, the sea salt and the pink pepper. You know, there's a spice, there's a tang, but oh, they're really nice. But I can't pinpoint what they. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to go for a third. No, no idea. Unique to them. Very nice. You always know it's nice when you've got to lick your fingers. So, that was my lemonade box. I will definitely be finishing these, you can believe that. So for £25, okay, let's just run through this again because I'm gobsmacked. I know lemonade is one of my absolute all-time favourite boxes, considering this is only my second one. I know that's kind of a big claim, but here today, gone tomorrow. I mean, I paid £10, £15 for this in the shops to give it a try. Micellar water, I know, love or hate, some people love it, some people not so sure. I'm one of those that it really depends on the brand, so I'm going to give it a go. Whoo, they're spicy. My tongue's on fire. The face mask, can never go wrong with a face mask. A candle, a beautiful soy candle that I can just relax and float away with. This, I think, is just the cutest, cleverest thing I've ever seen. A hair elixir. Some crisps. Well, no, crisps. Lotus seeds. And the theme for the month. Breathe. Stop. Think. Breathe. This box is phenomenal. I don't think I've got a code for it. I don't think... Probably they do one, but I know nothing about it. I'll see if I can find out whether there is some sort of code, because ladies, I would recommend this box. I really, really would. This is only my second, but it's brilliant. Anyway, that's me. I shall take my cold. In fact, I've got a couple more videos to film. I was going to try and put them off, but I thought, you know what? I'm at that point now where it's all there, you know, the cold is all there, but I actually don't feel that bad. So I thought, no, I'll crack on and get some things done. By the way, do you like my dress? This is a maxi dress. I thought it had sort of autumnal colours in it. It's one of my favourites. I bought it a long, long time ago, and I liked it so much, I bought it twice. Exactly the same dress. I still have this dress with the tags on in my wardrobe. I must have bought it 2 or 3 years ago. And I absolutely love it. And to my horror today, because I haven't had it on for a long, long time, of course I'm looking now for more autumnal things to put on. This, of course, was pre-weight loss. So it's a bit loose now. It used to be sort of fuller. But it's now too long, ladies. It never occurred to me that that would happen. But it's now too long. I've tripped over it twice. I'm going to have to figure out if I have the skill set to hem it. At least hem the one that I haven't ever worn. And it's heartbreaking because look at how pretty this pattern is. It is so autumnal and so me. And one of the few floral things in my wardrobe that I like so much I had to buy twice. In fact, now I'm looking, it's definitely lower than it was, you know, before it was more like that. But anyway, that's me. I'm chuntering on at you. Lemonade box, brilliant. Cold, yeah, getting there. Nice day. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all happy. I'm happy. Excuse me. And I'll see you again really, really soon. Love you. Bye.